Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into NSW Health employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box, type in NSW Health employee login and press enter. Go and pick this first link that you see that says staff link-health share NSW, and once you click on that link, it will take you to this page from where you can easily access your payroll services as an employee. Click on this link that says Payroll Services Online Support and you'll end up in this login form. Enter your username or your staff link ID and click continue. Now enter your password associated with your account in the text box. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in your correct password, click the enter button in order to log into your NSW employee account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.